All right, third graders, we are back together, and I hope you were able to finish that Pow Wow How Plus form and submit it to me. If you were not able, please feel free to email me and tell me what kinds of problems you're having. My email is michelle.droe. Michelle is Michelle .droe, and then the @ cfschools.org. And I'll bet you can find my email in all your materials with your online school as well. So just let me know if you had any problems with that, and if you didn't finish it, please get it submitted sometime this week, okay? Now, I don't want you to go to these experiments just now. I'm going to show you how to use them, and then I want you to explore them this week sometime, okay? And one of them is called rhythm. So you can access this link in your Google Classroom, or you can just, in the URL up here, type in the words music lab, and I'm pretty sure it will come up. Technically it's Chrome Music Lab, there it is right there. But if you can just remember music lab, it should come up. Click on that. And then we have played around with SongMaker, and there's more you can do with that. That's probably the biggest one in all of this. So today, the two that I'm going to show you quick and then have you explore this week are rhythm. So I'm going to click on rhythm. So musicians generate ideas to be creative and compose their music with lots of elements in music, and one of them is rhythm. There's the steady beat always, you know, in every song. That's just a pulse, like the heartbeat. And then we have rhythm, and we have different instruments. So what we're going to show you is rhythm is different than steady beat. It has fast chunks, slow chunks, and a mix of the two. Here is the beat. This gray line is the beat. So you can see that this is a beat, or it's going to be, you're going to make a pattern that's going to be organized in groups of 3. And so we call that a 3-form kind of meter. And meter is also an important element in music. So if you click on an orange dot, you're going to be able to play this timpani here, this orange timpani. These are timpani drums. If I even click on his arm, it'll play. This goldish color is one, and it's higher in pitch. Timpani have to be tuned very carefully to be played well. But most other percussion things, other than mallet instruments, well, other than xylophones and marimbas, stuff like that, are basically unpitched or not exactly pitched. Like this triangle, I'm going to play that on the top. It has a pitch, play, you know, a whole bunch of pitches. So you click that again, you undo your answer there. So I'm going to put that there, and I think I'll come. And I think that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to press play to hear my pattern, and then repeat it over and over. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then I press pause to make it stop. If I click over here on this arrow, it's going to do something to this area. It's going to change characters. It's going to change instruments. Try to notice what happens down here, and you'll be able to, and I want you to try to tell me what you think happens. Did you notice? It added another line. Yeah, right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have beats organized in groups of 4, and you can play around and add the sounds of the tom-tom drum, of the snare drum, and the hi-hat. Okay, and then if I click this again, oh, yep, it added a 5th beat. So you'll play the claves or the tone blocks here and organize some kind of a pattern in a group of 5. And here we have a group of 6 with a cowbell and conga drums. All right, so I'm going to show you one more thing, and then you can do some exploring, and if it's time to go back to class, that's all right. You'll be able to explore this week. I want to show you this video explaining a spectogram first.
Hi, my name is Evan, and I work at the National Music Center in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I'm here today to talk to you about spectrograms. A spectrogram is a tool that helps us see sound. From left to right on the x-axis, you can see time slowly scrolling by. Top to the bottom is the y-axis, which shows us pitch.
So you see this line here?
So the lower the pitch, the lower it shows up on our graph. The higher the pitch, the higher it shows up on our graph.
That's the one you just did.
It's a lot like musical notation.
Volume is shown by the color. Each spectrogram has its own color scheme. This spectrogram uses black for no sound, red, then yellow, and to white for the loudest sounds.
Now, the spectrogram is a great tool for understanding a concept called timbre. Timbre means the quality of sound. A flute does not sound the same as a trumpet, and that's because of overtones. So when I whistle, you can see it's a very pure pitch, just one line. But when I make the sound, you have lines stacked up. That's because most things vibrate at more than one speed per second. So down here is the lowest pitch I made, then a faster vibration, faster, all the way up to here.
If there aren't very many overtones, we say the timbre is dark. Lots of lines or overtones, we say the timbre is bright.
When we speak, our vocal cords make very bright timbres, but the shape of our mouth and our head changes the sound. If we could speak without our head, it would sound more like this. You can probably see that's a very bright timbre with lines stacked all the way to the top. But with our mouth, we can capture some of these faster vibrations, changing the sound. So not only can you hear the changing timbre, but you can really see the areas that are darkening when I was closing my hand around the duck call. We can use the shape of our mouth to control overtones.
And that's what you will do. You will be using your mouth to control the overtones and try to make some bright and dark colors in Spectogram. So here I am back in Spectogram. I'll click on that, and I'll just show you. If you click on it's going to show you the way their sounds would look. So I'll have you explore all these buttons down here just to see what they look like. And then this one is the microphone, and that's how you would use your voice, your mouth shape to create different sounds. You'll have to click on that, and then as I talk, you'll see my overtones and the way my sounds would look. Sometimes it won't allow you to do this. Some Chromebooks, for some reason, haven't been allowing, and I haven't been able to figure it out. Typically, though, they'll ask you, do you want to allow Spectogram to use your microphone? And it'll be a question up on the left-hand side, upper left-hand side, and you want to say yes, because if it doesn't have access to the microphone, it definitely won't work. So click Allow. All right, guys, have a great week, and I can't wait to meet Mrs. Rindle's class next week in music. Bye!